Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make cheesy beef taquitos. So first off, we're gonna get started with this onion and garlic in here. I have half of an onion and 2 cloves of garlic that I'm putting into my pan. So now that we got the onions and garlic sauteed, I got a pound of beef that's gonna go in here now. We're just gonna chop this up and we'll add our seasonings a little bit later. So now that you got your meat browned, I have about 1/3 cup of tomato sauce that I'm just gonna put in here. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of smoked paprika, just do a little pinch of salt, and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And then now after that, we're just gonna mix this all together. I'm gonna let these flavors kind of cook together for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're just gonna shut off the heat. And we're gonna let this mixture cool so we can roll it up in our tortillas. So pro tip, before you do your taquitos, make sure you warm them up in a skillet or a griddle or something, just about a minute on each side, medium to low heat, because if you don't warm them up and you try to roll them, they'll all break on you. So now let's get ready to roll these taquitos. You're gonna take your tortilla out, get about a tablespoon of beef, lay it down here towards the closest edge towards you. We're just gonna get a little pinch of cheese, put it out over top, and then now, just roll them. And no, we're not rolling like y'all think we're rolling. I have some simple mozzarella cheese that I put in here. You can use any cheese that you want. I just happen to use mozzarella. So now after we got all your taquitos filled, we're just gonna get our pan hot, and we're just gonna place these seam side down so they can sear and seal up and close that way. So you don't want to overcrowd the pan. We're gonna put in about 3 or 4 at a time, and then just let them cook about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now it's time for the taste test. Very simple 3 ingredients: tortillas, meat, cheese, dripping. It's chewing. Essentially, it's a taco you can hold in your hand, some guacamole, sour cream, salsa, dip this in. Your lunch, dinner, whatever you have this for, it's gonna be lights out. You don't wanna miss this.